Welcome to the lecture series of multiple integrals. Today we are going to see a problem under change the order of integration. The question is change the order of integration and evaluate double integral 0 to a x by a to root of x by a x square plus y square of dy dx. This is the question. In this one the order of integration is dy dx. That means we are supposed to change the order as dx dy. So first we will write the given limits. So the given limits are first integration with respect to y. So the y limit is y is equal to x by a and y is equal to root of x by a. Y equal to x by a is an equation of a line y equal to x. This is of the form like that. Here the x interception is a and here it is given y equal to root of x by a. That means if you are squaring this we can get y square equal to x by a. Y square equal to x by a is an equation of a parabola and also it is given that the x limit is 0 to a. Okay. So y equal to x by a equation of a line, y square equal to x by a equation of a parabola and the limit of x is 0 to a. So usually we used to find after that point of intersection. How to find out the point of intersection? Have to substitute x is equal to 0 in any one of the above equation to get the y value. Same manner x is equal to a. So when x is equal to 0, to find the point of intersection only we are doing this. When x is equal to 0, substitute x is equal to 0 in any one of the equation. Suppose I am substituting here 0 by anything 0. So which implies y equal to 0 and put x is equal to a which implies y is equal to 1. Therefore, the point of intersection is 0, 0 and a, 1. Okay. Now we are going to draw the diagram. So y square equal to x by a. So equation of a parabola. So y square equal to x by a and y equal to equation of a line y equal to x by a. And the equation y equal to x by a, we can say that the x interception is a. While seeing the equation itself we said, but actually you got the point of intersection is what? 0, 0 and a, 1. So obviously x is equal to a. If you are taking x is equal to a, y is equal to 1, then the point of intersection a, 1 and here it is 0, 0. So look at this. Y equal to x by a line equation, y square equal to x by a equation of a parabola and the point of intersection 0, 0 and a, 1. So our region of integration is nothing but this shaded portion only. So this is our region of integration. We are supposed to change the order as dx. That means we have to take a horizontal strip in the region of integration. Okay. So when you are taking a horizontal strip, okay, on the strip, first if you are taking a point on the strip, it starts from here and it ends at here. So on this curve, on this parabola, what is our x? X is equal to a y square. So any point on the strip, the x value starts from a y square and it is ends at the straight line. That means in the line equation, that is y equal to x by a, what is x? X is equal to a y. Okay. So the new limits are x equal to a y square to x is equal to a y. Okay. And at the same time our y limit is 0 to 1. Okay. So the new limits are, after writing the new limits, you can go for the integration. Okay. So the new limits are, we got the new limits. Is it clear how we are writing the new limit? We are taking a horizontal strip. On the strip, see if you are taking like this, on this curve y square equal to x by a, the x value starts from here, x is equal to a y square. On the line our x value is x is equal to a y. Therefore, x value starts from a y square to ends at x is equal to a y. Therefore, our new limit of x is a y square to a y. Therefore, the new limits are x starts from a y square to x is equal to a y. At the same time, our y varies from 0 to 1. If you are not able to see from the diagram itself y equal to 0 to 1, to find the y limit you can take a strip like this, vertical strip. Okay, and here if I am taking a vertical strip like this, the value of y, because it starts from origin, so obviously y equal to 0 to y equal to 1. Like that we can write, because the point of intersection is 0 to 1. Like the way we can find out our new limits. Now we will back to the given integration. Therefore, the given integration double integral 0 to a x by a to root of x by a x square plus y square dy dx equal to double integral x square plus y square dx dy. We have changed the order. So, our x limit, new limit of x is a y square to a y, and the limit of y is 0 to 1. Okay. Now, we are going to integrate this, and applying the limits we can get the answer. That is equal to double integral 0 to 1. See, first integration with respect to x. So, x square integration is x cube by 3 with the limit a y square to a y dy plus integral 0 to 1 y square is a constant, integration of dx is x with the limit a y square to a y into dy. Okay. Upper limit is a y and the lower limit is a y square. Here 1 by 3 is a constant. So, before apply the limit we can take the 1 by 3 outside. 1 by 3 integral 0 to 1, upper limit is a y. We are applying the limit for x cube, that means a cube y cube upper limit minus lower limit is a y square, that means a cube y power 6 into dy plus integral 0 to 1 y square into upper limit is a y and lower limit is a y square into dy. So, in this first integration we can take a cube commonly outside. So, a cube by 3 integral 0 to 1 y cube minus y power 6 into dy plus the second integration we can take the a commonly outside, a into integral 0 to 1 y square into y cube minus y square into y square y power 4 into dy. So, now we are going to integrate this with respect to y. So, which is equal to a cube by 3 integration of y cube y power 4 by 4 y power 6 is y power 7 by 7 with the limit 0 to 1 plus a into y power 4 by 4 minus y power 5 by 5 with the limit 0 to 1. So, our upper limit is 1 and our lower limit is 0. So, when you are applying the upper limit, this will become as 1 by 4 minus 1 by 7, lower limit is 0 plus a into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5, here also the lower limit is 0. So, a cube by 3, here it is 7 minus 4 by 28 plus a into 5 minus 4 by 20. Okay. So, we can get a cube by 3 and here it is 3 by 28 plus a into 1 by 20. So, we can cancel the 3. So, we got a cube by 28 plus a by 20. I think this is our required answer, because after this there is no further step. So, our required answer, therefore, the double integral 0 to a x by a root of x by a x square plus y square dy dx. The answer is a cube by 28 plus a by 20. So, this is the answer for the given question. Okay. Thank you for watching.